Say you've just bought yourself a brand new mirrorless camera and you realise that the audio quality from it is absolutely so in this video we're going to show you 4 ways to upgrade the microphone on your mirrorless camera, starting with a mini self-powered shotgun microphone. Let me just grab it. Bloody hell, nearly just slipped over there. So this is a self-powered mini shotgun microphone. They go from about £20 upwards. Now let's stick this on the camera and see what a difference it makes. Now it's also worth me mentioning that they usually come with a wind muff and obviously the cables needed to connect it. Okay, so now we've attached a mini shotgun microphone to the top of our mirrorless camera and hopefully you should hear an increase in audio quality. Let me know what you think to it in the comment section below. Now being self-powered, obviously it doesn't come with a battery, who would have guessed? And it's a definite improvement over the onboard microphone. Now the thing to remember with this, they start from about £20 and go upwards. Normally the more you spend on it, the better the audio quality is going to be. Now because this is a mini shotgun microphone, the audio is quite narrow and you have to stand directly in front of the microphone or in front of the camera. Now the further away you get from the camera, the quieter the audio is going to be. The other thing to remember is, because it's quite a directional microphone, if you're talking off to the side then you're going to lose audio quality. But let's go on to microphone number 2, which is a powered shotgun microphone. Let me go grab it. And here we have a powered shotgun microphone. Let's stick it on the camera right now. Oh, let me just get the camera right. Look at that, that looks absolutely fantastic. So we've now got the shotgun microphone on top of our mirrorless camera and you should hear again an audio improvement over the onboard audio and also the mini shotgun microphone. Because this is a powered microphone, we're taking away that preamp noise from the camera and that's why we should be hearing an improvement in the sound quality. God, it's so cold out here, I can't think what I'm saying. We're no longer relying on the preamps built into our camera, we're getting the audio powered from the microphone and boosting that audio, getting all that juicy goodness from our microphone. Now again, we do have some negatives that come with this microphone. Obviously we've got to be in a certain distance of the microphone for it to pick up our voice. It's also very directional, meaning that you have to be straight in front of the camera or in front of the microphone, and the further away you get, then the quieter the audio is going to be. Another negative with these type of microphones is you have to remember to charge them up or to bring spare batteries with you. Now these range in price from about £50 upwards. Again, normally the more you pay, the better audio quality you get. Next up we have the wireless microphone, so let's go attach it to ourselves and show you the benefit of wireless microphones. So now we have the wireless microphone attached to myself and we've got the receiver attached to the top of the camera. Now this acts as a transmitter to the receiver and we're feeding that audio directly into our camera. Now the benefits of using a wireless microphone are we're obviously not tethered to the camera, which means we can walk wherever we like and we're not going to lose audio quality and the sound level is going to remain the same. Now one negative with wireless microphones are they're quite pricey and usually start around the £100 mark. Again, the more you pay for it, the better the audio quality is going to be and the better features that you're going to get built in. Now another negative of the wireless microphone, just like the powered shotgun mic before, is that you have to remember to charge them up before you head off out or bring spare batteries. Again though, let me know in the comment section what you think to the audio quality. So we're on to the final microphone upgrade and one that most people don't consider, and that's an audio recorder. Let me show you exactly what this can do. God, my fingers are absolutely freezing. Hello, hello. So we've now got the sound recorder attached to the mirrorless camera and we're outputting the audio straight into the camera. Now a great thing about sound recorders over traditional shotgun microphones are they open up the sound stage because they record in stereo. Now we have got a wind muff attached to this to stop some of that wind noise, but you should be able to hear a lot more of the environment sounds around me. And I'm going to let that play for a few seconds. Now using a sound recorder in this manner, we can obviously record directly onto the recorder itself as record onto the camera, so that's one good point. You've got a backup audio track. Now, dedicated sound recorders are going to cost you anywhere of £100 upwards. Now, a benefit of the sound recorder is it comes with a lot more built-in features than a standard microphone. One of the negatives though is that you have to make sure that you bring spare batteries or that your batteries are charged for your sound recorder. Right, so there you have it, 4 ways to upgrade the sound on your mirrorless camera. I'm going to go in now because I'm absolutely freezing. If you've got anything at all from this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you want to see further content from myself, hit that subscribe button and we'll catch up in that next video. See you soon, everyone.